Good afternoon, guys. So, the last time when we posted a video from Kandolim, you guys liked it, and it's almost about to reach 10,000 views. And I'm glad the videos are helping. So, what I'm going to do now is the last time we had come up until this chapel here. So, I'm going to take you guys on a virtual tour once again from the chapel till Shinkweri Beach. So, stay tuned and keep watching till the end. So yes, we have started our tour here, and unfortunately Adrian is not there with me today, but yes, I will be going solo on this tour. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this place. So we've started from Kandolim Chapel behind, and as you can see around me, there are lots of stalls. So they are selling a lot of floats. On the right here is the curry house. One of you guys told me that this restaurant was very good for some food. I haven't tried it, but yes, if you've been here, do let us know your reviews. And on both the sides, there are multiple restaurants. And as of now, the weather in Goa today is much better, but the last couple of days was very hot. On the left here is the Timber Garden. I've heard from many people this is good. Shivers, yes, another good restaurant. It's there in the lane that just passed by. And yeah, talking about the weather, Holiday Inn here as well. So yeah, there are a lot of good options to stay, nice places for accommodation. And yes, if you're planning to go to the beach, do check the weather and go to the beach. On the right here is Tuscany Gardens. So this restaurant is very famous for the Italian food that they serve. And yes, thanks to the shade here, the trees on both the sides, it feels very cool today. Anyway, the weather is a bit cooler, but yeah, the last 2 days was horrible. There was a heat wave in Goa. I'm not sure if it's still going to continue, but please do check the weather before going to the beach and spending time out in the sun. And as you can see here, the trees look so damn gorgeous. I mean, I have always spoken about the importance of trees. If you are riding a two-wheeler or if you're just out for a walk in the evening, imagine this road if there were no trees. So just because of the trees here, it is so comfortable to ride the bike. I'm sure even if you walk on the footpath here on the right, because of the shade, it's going to be so comfortable. Right. Now we are approaching a section of the road where if we take a right, we are going to go towards Shinkweri Beach, and just behind me passed by Taj. So yes, I'm going to take a right from here. The left here goes towards Cohiba, a very famous club here in Goa. And we are reaching a part of the beach here. Okay, on the left was the parking for big buses and cars. You have to be a bit careful here because there are a lot of tourists here and this place can get very crowded at times. On the left here, Joe's Corner looked like a nice restaurant. So yeah, this place goes towards Shinkweri Beach. You can come here for water sports. Somebody had asked me recently, good place for water sports. I have done water sports here many years ago and I found it very good. Not sure what the current status is. The roads here are good, but just some patches here which are bad. But yeah, now we've reached towards Shinkweri Beach. So if you go straight here, you'll get Shinkweri Fort. And if you want to park your bike here, they charge 50 rupees. Personally, I feel that's a bit too much. But if you think about it, going to the fort is free of cost. But yeah, 50 rupees is a bit too much for parking. I think around 20 or 30 rupees is okay, but 50 rupees is a bit too much. And yes, we have traffic. If we go ahead again, on the left there is Taj. So they have some very good properties. Right, so there is traffic here. What I'm going to do now is take a turn because I'm not planning to go to the beach. Shinkweri Beach is just an extension of Kandolim Beach. If you walk from Kandolim Beach and if you go straight, if you walk for like around half an hour, you'll get Shinkweri Beach. I'll cover that in some other video. But yes, I just wanted to show you this area. What I'm going to do now is go straight from this road, go towards Cohiba, because I'm sure not a lot of you have come to this part of Goa. So I'll just show you the road ahead because it's beautiful. It's next to a river So you'll find many places here where you'll get a good view of the river. So yeah, once you reach here, see on the right here there is parking for buses and cars. Please be very careful when you are riding. You never know what will cross your path. Right. So yeah, there are some stalls here, and I think there was some celebration here, because as you can see, I think there was a festival, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, now there are traffic police as well on the right. So yeah, please be very careful. Always make sure you wear your helmet. Even though you see people around you not wearing helmets, please wear helmets and carry your license, and be safe, guys. Keep safe distance, ride safely. There are a lot of accidents that happen. Don't not drink and drive, because there is a lot of checking that's going on. Right, so now we've taken this road which goes towards the Nerul river, and just look at the view, guys. It is beautiful. There's another road here, right? I do not know where it goes, but just check this out. It is always very peaceful to ride here. Okay, this on the right here is Coiba. I came here once. The ambience is very good, but there was no crowd, and I know the charges are a bit too much, but yeah, there are people who visit and who say that it's a good experience to visit. The music is good. Right, now on my left here is the river, and yeah, so it's pretty much a straight road, nice houses on both the sides, and you see these huge buses. Please make sure you keep safe distance, because the roads are narrow here in Candolim. Do not try to overtake, because you might get yourself in trouble. Right, lovely river next to the road here. Lots of boat parked here. So not too far away from here is Coco Beach. In case if you want to go dolphin watching, Coco Beach is a very good option, because if you get there early in the morning, you'll definitely get to see dolphins. We've been there several times, and Coco Beach has not disappointed us. We've even made a video on Coco Beach. So yeah, you should watch that video. It's there on our channel. And Aditya is the one who organizes dolphin trips, so you can contact him. We have left his number in the description as well. Right, so as you can see, lovely winding roads here. Very, very good experience if you want to go for a ride and check out what's this, dolphin trip. Yeah, even here on the left they organize trips, but I really don't know how good they are. But yeah, lots of dolphin trips, boards there. I saw 350 rupees per head. And where do we go from here? So yeah, we'll take this. Let's take this road. I haven't been to this road, but yeah, looks like a nice road next to the river. Wow. Even after living here for so many months and days and years, at times, because we were in Pune, as you know, I haven't come across this part of the river. Wow. Even I am exploring new places. I always try to visit the places where I've never visited before. Like I've taken the right and gone there, but wow, amazing. I wasn't experiencing this. And look at this, guys. They have a boat here, and they were, I think, flying a drone, not too sure. But check this out. Oh, and I think that side on the left, wait, let me stop the bike here. I've strapped the camera to my shoulder, but this is so cool. I am not sure if you can see it. I guess you can see it. Somewhere there is Coco Beach. Yeah, so we had taken the boat from somewhere that side. I think this is the Nerul river connecting to towards Candolim and Shinkaeri, if I'm not mistaken. But wow, this is such a nice place. I hope you guys are enjoying the virtual tours. And if you have any questions about Goa, please. Whoa! There are dogs. Oh my god, this guy scared me. He literally gave me goosebumps. Shit, I don't even know where I am. That was scary. But yeah, please be careful, guys, once you are here. Especially of dogs. I did not even know there was a dog there. Oh my god, that was really scary, and I don't even know where I've come. So this looks like a dead end. Whew, that was scary. Now I have to go back and find my way out because there's a dead end here. Yeah, some of you guys had asked me about water sports, so these are the packages that they offer. You can pause the video and have a look. I cannot go on a scuba diving trip or something right now, but yes, they have many options here. They are showing rates for snorkeling and scuba diving. Yeah, there's scuba diving here, and the cost is 4,950 and 6,930, 40 plus 40. So yeah, those are the rates, and the contact number is right here. That stupid dog has really got my heart pumping. But yeah, I was lucky I dodged him, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the virtual tour, and if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments and I will answer that for you. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.